In today's video, we'll show you how to buy a Compass card in Vancouver. You can buy a Compass card through Compass vending machine. These Compass vending machines are located at all train stations, C-Bus and West Coast Express stations.
This is the Compass machine where you're going to buy tickets. So you can buy a single ticket or a multiple ticket. So in our case, we are 2 adults and a kid who is like below 12 years. So we don't need a pass for her. So we are going for to buy 2 tickets, which is buy multiple tickets in this scenario. So now it's zone wise and it will expire at the end of the day. So let's go with a day pass because we are trying to travel all over Canada, all over Vancouver. Day pass. And then here it says adult is 11.25 and we are 2, so it's basically $22. So done. So how you are going to pay? So I'm paying it with my credit card. So yeah, to adult pass we need to insert here. So 22, okay, to press okay. It's going to ask pin number, I guess. Yep. Okay. Yeah, we are good to go. So you can collect the passes here. So which are 2 pass. Done. You want a receipt? It's your wish. 2-day pass. Yep. That's it. You can collect your receipt as well here. Yeah, we're done.
This day pass provides unlimited transit use on all buses, SkyTrains, C-Buses and HandyDART for 1 full day from the start of the first transit service until 4 AM the next day. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.